How to see someone's location on iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, you will need to open the app where the person has shared the location. That might be the Find My app or messaging app, anywhere. Just open it. In the Find My app, you'll find the section of people. Clicking on that, you'll be able to find the list of the contacts who have shared their location. Click on the username, you're gonna find their location. So this way you are able to see someone's location on iPhone. Likewise, you can also use the messaging app. Just open the messaging app and open their text. If they have shared the location, you're gonna get this kind of notification, started sharing location with you. So this way you can easily see someone's location on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.